Have time for the last two questions, three questions with the brother. Now, Sheikh.
With this timing of namaz, what I need to understand is namaz should be prayed at the first time of the Salah, right? Okay, with this change of next year's new timing, so the Jummah is fixed at 1:50. Is it right? Now we are praying at
Good question. Good question from the brother. Is it permissible to fix the salah at a specific time throughout the year? If it is within the time of that salah, it is valid. This is number one. It is valid. Within that time, it is permissible. In the hadith of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he explained the beginning time and the end time of the salah, and he says the salah in between them you can pray. Clear? That is number one. Number two, many countries throughout the world and throughout history have fixed times for these salah. And I have seen this in many countries, without mentioning the names, that for example, Dhuhr throughout the whole year at 1:30, regardless. And they will have many, so they'll have few times fixed throughout the year, very little shifting, and that's it. There is no harm from the Islamic point of view, there is no harm. The beginning of the time does not mean that when he says Allahu Akbar, you have to say Allahu Akbar and start the salah. No. In fact, the scholar mentioned that after the adhan, it is actually desirable to wait a little, not immediately jump to the salah. So in the beginning of the time does not mean in the very, very beginning, means at the very moment. So if the Dhuhr, for example, is at nowadays as 12:20, for example, we are going to, the time continues until around close to 3:15 nowadays. Yeah? Later on, but around this time. So you are going to pray within, for example, after half an hour of the time or 1 hour of the time. This is still within the beginning of the time. The first third of that prayer time. So inshallah there is no harm at all. And it's still in the beginning of the time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best now.